Hey YouTube, welcome to Small Business Grant Series by Credit Viral Channel. Yes, in this series, we review the small business grants available in your state, in your city, and in your county. We are going to cover all the 50 states, and this is video number 4. So in order to know about the grants of your state, of your county, and your city, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload those videos for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So in this video, I'm going to review this $50,000 small business grant, and you know that the grant means free money. It means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So right here in front of you, the people of Wisconsin and the county of Dane, this is your opportunity right in front of you. Yes, when it comes to this grant, you can get up to $50,000 in small business grant, and the average grant amount is $10,000. It means no matter what, if you get approved for it, you're going to get $10,000 for your business. But there are some eligibility criteria, and I'm going to show you each and everything in detail, step by step, with complete explanation. So please watch this video till the end, and if this is not state, then please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, because we are going to cover all the 50 states in this small business grant series by Credit Viral Channel. So right here, as you can see, they said that the average grant amount of approximately $10,000 will be given to every business, or you can say per business right there, who is eligible for it. Business experiences financial hardship, which is expected to continue for at least the next 3 months. The number of employees, of course, how many number of employees are there, they're going to use it to award the grant. And of course, the business and independently owned, a local business whose main office is based in Dane County, franchises do not qualify. So remember that if your business or the head office of your business is based in Dane County, then you are eligible to get it. So if you're franchise just like McDonald's, KFC, or any other, then you are not eligible for it. So keep that in mind. Minority and women-owned businesses, including people of color, immigrants, women, veterans, and LGBT. So if you fall in any of this category, you will be prioritized as well. And at the same time, of course, if you're an immigrant, means you have a green card, then you're also eligible for it. Funds used for pandemic related expenses such as rent, payroll, utilities, etc., or business development opportunities to say or pivot the business. So keep that in mind. You can actually pretty much use this grant for anything that is related to your business. So I'm not going to get into a detail of that. This is pretty general and straightforward. Payments provided to a business name, not an individual. So of course, payment will be provided to your business. For example, if you have an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, whatever your business entity is, the payment will be provided on your business name and will be deposited in your business account. The business for a profit enterprises, non-profit, do not qualify for this grant program. So we apologize for that. Non-profits do not qualify for this grant. So if you're a non-profit, you are not eligible for it. So if you are a for-profit business, you are good to go. You can apply for it. And the maximum grant amount is $50,000. Yes, this is a huge amount, and just for our county, this is massive. There are 4 million of available funding to support Dane County locally owned small business. Dane County is not that huge, so of course, if you apply for it, chances are that you are going to get approved for it pretty easily. And $4 million, so if you even just talk about 50,000, it's a lot, so don't worry about it. The deadline is February 15th, so do it as soon as possible. I'm going to show you how the application looks like so you can actually fill it pretty easily. They require your first, or you can say your business legal name. I apologize for first, your business legal name. Doing business as, of course, what's the name that you're doing business for. Primary business owner name, first name. Of course, you need to provide your first name if you're the owner, and the owner last name, business phone number. Of course, I urge you guys to put your own cell phone number right here. So if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you. Business mailing, street address, of course, city, business state, of course it's Wisconsin, so it's just for Wisconsin, so you have to put Wisconsin right there. Your business zip code, physical business location, business city. Of course, if you have a head office right there, then you can use that. Your business email, your federal tax ID number, of course, or your EIN of your business. And of course, there are other things that I'm not going to get into a detail for that because this is something niche to your business. So type of business, of course, retail, restaurant, music, entertainment, pretty much all the business are qualified except the adult business. For example, if you have a strip club or something, you are not eligible for that. Then you need to tell them the circumstances you're facing and have there been a loss of 30% or over in 2019 because of the pandemic. So if you faced anything like this in 2020 and 2019, then you are eligible for it. Amount of request, of course you can put 50,000, but totally depends on them how much they want to give you, including yourself, how many paid employees you have currently on staff. Are you a for-profit business? Of course you have to be a for-profit business. If you are not, if you're gonna click no right here, they're gonna decline your application because it's not for non-profit. And of course, how did you hear about this grant? You can just put our channel name or totally up to you. Actually, I request you to put YouTube right there. And then race of primary business owner, of course, if you are African American, you're Hispanic, you're Asian, of course white, so you can just click right there and see which category you falls in. Are you a veteran or not? LGBT, woman owned, of course if you are a woman, then of course you're going to get priority for this. Women will get priority everywhere. Was your business open prior to March 15, 2020? So keep that in mind. You have to click yes right here if you have. And then did your business revenue decrease 30% or more in 2020 versus 2019? Have you previously received a Dane County grant? No, this does not qualify for a business from qualifying. And of course, there are other couple of questions and I'm going to get into a detail of that. But the last one is, have you received grants from the state of Wisconsin? We all in restaurants, daycare, music venue. So if you have received it, don't worry about it. You can click rest right there because it's not going to decline your application. It's going to let them know that you have already received it because you've been impacted by that. So you can do that. So remember that if you're a restaurant, daycare, or music venue, you can easily get the second grant because of course those are the businesses that were really hit hard with this pandemic. So this is a fine video that I wanted to show you right here. So as I told you, each and everything, this is a great opportunity for the people of Wisconsin and especially for the people of Dane County. And Dane County is not that huge, so of course $50,000 is a huge grant amount, so you can get it pretty easily. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment below. I'll be happy to answer each and every question of yours. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $20,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that we are going to cover all the 50 states, cities and counties of US. So wherever you live, you are going to see a video about this grant of your city, your state and your county. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and this is really important. Best of luck with this one. We are coming up with much more videos and this is small business grant, so don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow because it can reach to the other people and they can actually get the help as well. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.